Muslim scientists studied the core questions of physics very deeply. Ibn Sina made profound studies of force, motion, light, heat, and vacuums, just to name a few. Great progress was made in theoretical and applied mechanics. The physicist and astronomer Al-Khazini wrote a book on mechanics, hydrostatics, and physics named The Book of the Balance of Wisdom, which is the most remarkable medieval work on these subjects. It gives a theory of the force of the attraction of the earth, in other words gravity, which enables a universal force to be directed towards the center of the universe. And this is much before Galileo or Newton. In another book on balance, Al-Khazini stresses the importance of removing, as far as possible, the influences of temperature variation during weighing. When Al-Khazini's other studies are considered, he really seems to be the forerunner to Galileo. Ibn Sina and Al-Razi also contributed to the theory of balance. Al-Razi made investigations on gravity by using the hydrostatic balance called the physical balance. Abu Nasr al-Farabi refuted the existence of a vacuum. He wrote a remarkable original essay on the elasticity of the air. The Muslims also developed the techniques of bathing. They constructed the hot steam bath called hammam, from the Arabic root ham, meaning to heat. In addition, Muslims developed the science of optics. Ibn al-Haytham made a remarkable contribution towards this science. Indeed, modern optics began with him. He showed amazing progress in experimental techniques, making research on spherical and parabolic mirrors and dioptrics. He was the first to explain that vision occurs when light reflects from an object and then passes into the eyes. He was also the first to demonstrate that vision occurs in the brain rather than in the eyes, and gave a correct explanation of the apparent increase in the size of the sun and the moon near the horizon. Ibn Sina also made a deep study of light, arguing that light has a speed. He observed that if light is emitted due to the ejection of some sort of particles by the light source, the speed of light must be finite. Al-Binmi noticed that the speed of light is immensely greater than that of sound. So thanks to the Muslim world for some really deep studies and original works which contributed to some amazing advancements in the field of physics.